Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the mill. We appreciate you tuning in to Bearded Lumber. This morning it's something different, but it happens a lot. We're having to clean up. The floor is a mess. Actually, the mill itself is a mess. It's been a year, probably a year since we pressure washed this machine, and it's not cool weather yet, but it won't be long. It won't be far away. So while we got it out, we're gonna run it over here to the other shop and pressure wash it, clean it up, of course, clean the floor up. But that's gonna be it for this video. Just more cleaning, more maintenance is part of it. If you own one of these and you're not doing it, it's gonna cost you in the end. But thanks for tuning in. Okay guys, we got the WoodMizer LT35 moved over here in front of our mechanic shop, and we'll drag out the steam cleaner and get this old girl looking better for winter time, because I'll be honest with you, I'm not spraying hot water in the winter unless I have to. It'll have to be a real need. But we're gonna go over here and clean the floor up, and we'll come back and do this shortly. Okay guys, we're back. Got the mill out. Took a leaf blower, blowed everything up in the pile here. If you're running a sawmill and you don't do a lot of cleaning, it'll show up on you. We clean every day, we pick up every day. And this is just part of it. It's a dirty process, got to be done. Can't stand I mean, we make a mess, but I can't stand in a mess continuously. So let me go grab a shovel, help Matthew out. reasons. One, it needed done, and two, we got some boards we need to plane and edge this morning, and it's just a lot more user-friendly if you don't have this mess to work through, and you know, it just works out that way. Whew. And the reason we clean this up, you know, so we take great effort in getting it in the box, not blow it out in the yard. We got a small fortune invested in gravel. If you blow all this sawdust and wood chips out in the yard, next thing you know, all you got is a yard full of sawdust and wood chips. And you guys know you can't drive on that stuff and it gets wet and it rots down and turns to mush. So we try our best to keep all that in the building, get it scooped up, it goes up to the burn hole, gets recycled into dirt. But hang on, we're gonna go over here and clean up this sawmill with the steam cleaner. We'll meet you at nowhere in a few. Okay guys, we're back. We got the steam cleaner out. We're gonna get the old girl cleaned up before cold weather gets here. We got an old Landay steam cleaner, still works. Come out of a manufacturing plant years ago. They no longer met their safety standards, but we've had it for years and love having it. It's good for grease and grime, sawdust, but let's get to it, make this thing look better. that's it. We're done steam cleaning. It's a nasty job. It's right at lunchtime. Actually, it's a few minutes late. That's why I went ahead and did it now, because I'm gonna have to go change clothes. This is why our mill is 9 years old, be 10 years old in March. We take care of it. It don't get bathed like a car, and I'm not gonna do 100% clean. 85, 90% clean is good enough. But we've taken care of it over the years, kept it clean, kept it washed off a few times a year. This will be the last bath it gets probably till springtime, but we blow it off every day. This just gets the grit and the grime and the grease, and Matthew's blowing he's blowing the water off of it right now. We're gonna go back and grease it, coat all the wire surfaces with ATF so it don't rust. But this is an important part of owning a WoodMizer. You take a mill, guy's got 8,000–10,000 hours on. He took care of it. He just didn't leave it sitting out in the yard. But let's go around and look, see if you can tell any difference in the way it looks now. Get my camera shortened up here. We just, like I say, we're not shooting for 100%. There's just certain places that get nasty. We use a lot of ATF on it, a lot of diesel fuel. You get up under here, it'll get real dirty around this area. And you can see even using the steam cleaner, some of it don't want to come off, but that's acceptable. I'm happy with it for what we're gonna do. It'll be its last bath till next year. Okay guys, that's gonna do it. That's, you know, we talk about it all the time, the dirty side of sawmilling. This is part of it as well. You got to maintain, take care of your equipment. We appreciate you watching. If you would, take the opportunity to like, subscribe, and share. If you got any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you back at the mill.